And last but not least, I'm going to challenge you guys. Tell me if you have a unique selling proposition in your company. This is one thing that I feel like, especially with diagnostics as well as physical therapy, us being primary care providers, we need to put our message out to the community, to the consumer, that we want to come directly to us, why they should choose us. Not only why they should choose us as opposed to our competitor, another physical therapist, but why should they choose to come to us versus doing other things? Google, going to a different sort of specialty, buying Advil over the counter, doing nothing at all. Why should they choose to come to us? And so Dan Kennedy, who his book is Magnetic Marketing. This is where I learned about this. He says, without a significant and steady stream of people with whom you can exchange value for money, nothing else about your business matters. We want to change lives. You guys have a purpose that you guys all just told me you want to do that. But if we don't have a steady stream of those people getting to us, you guys can't fulfill your purpose, right? So why would somebody want to come and see you instead of the competition? So I challenge you all to.
Well, I'll give it like an example, our example. So ours is we help athletes save time and get better faster. That message right there. And that's who I know to target when I'm doing my marketing, when I'm putting stuff out on social media, when I'm out in the community. It's simple as that.
So, from my perspective as a CEO and being able to empower my team to do things like put my social media together, to go market and go to PR events in the community, to go take the truck to a PR event when Joe and I are at a convention someplace else, but here you guys go take the truck. You guys are in the community. They know what our purpose is. They know what our vision is, and they darn well know who we're marketing to and what that message is that they tell them.